Hey friends, welcome to Frank's Monster Garage. Let's go find some monster trucks. Check this one out, it's carbonator. Lime, looks tasty. Do you like lime flavored stuff? Lime is pretty sour. Whoa, it's Motosaurus. It's pretty cool, it's a Stegosaurus monster truck. Whoa, check this one out, it's hamburger delivery. It delivers fresh, hot hamburgers to you. Whoa, it's Hotweiler. It's really cool. It's got cool yellow tires. I like this one a lot. It's got really nice colors. And then one of my favorite ones right here is Torque Terror. Whoa, that's so cool. It's Torque Terror. I like this one a lot too. Oh my goodness, it's Try and Crush Me. It's a 3-wheeled monster truck. So cool looking. Park that one right there. Wow, it's Roland from the Dirt Squad. It's got a big rolling wheel, see that? And it flattens everything. Wow, check this one out, it's storm damage. Whoa, it's a Fire Max D. Right here, do you see that? So cool looking. Check this one out. It's To School. It's a pink monster truck. It's also a school bus. And it's got 3 eyes on the side. It's pretty cool. And then this one's Batman. Whoa. Look at this. It's Yeti. Have you ever seen a Yeti before? Me neither. Check out Triceratops. It's a dump truck monster truck. It's pretty cool looking, isn't it? What about this one? It's Monster Portions. It's a food truck monster truck. Look, it's got hot dog in there and everything. And who's this right here? It's Thunderbus. It's pretty cool. Wow, look at this. It's Alien Invasion. Oopsie, I dropped it. Look at this one, it's Snakebite. It's a green Snakebite monster truck. It's pretty cool looking. Whoa, who's that over there? It's a Dodge Charger RT. It's a super fast, super big engine monster truck. Let's see all the monster trucks we found today. We found Dodge Charger RT, Alien Invasion, Triceratops, Storm Damage, Max D, To School, Batman, Roland, Try and Crush Me, Hotweiler, Hamburger Delivery, Yeti, Thunderbus, Snakebite, Monster Portions, Carbonator XXL Lime, Motosaurus, Torque Terror, and we found 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18 monster trucks today. That's a lot of monster trucks. I think my favorite today is Triceratops. That's pretty cool looking, isn't it? We'll see you next time, friends.